A recent sting operation has brought to us breaking news and recent information regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Sushant Singh Rajput's fitness trainer in a sting operation stated that things with the actor were pretty different since the time he started being with his girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty. The trainer in the sting operation also alleged that Sushant's medication was administered by Rhea herself. Sami Ahmed said, "I spoke to Sushant on 1st June. He called me because he got to know that I lost my mother. Me and my mother were very close to him, and he was talking to me about it, and he told me if I needed something, then I should visit his home. Asked me to take care of my father. But after 2 weeks, I got this shocking news." He also mentioned, even before the medication, did he do any counseling session with Sushant? You need to do counseling therapies as well. If the doctor himself didn't know about the counseling session, didn't know the root cause of his depression, then how could he prescribe him a medicine? Talking about Sushant, Sami Ahmed said, "He was a very hard-working man. People didn't believe that Sushant, even after eating junk food, was able to build his body in such a holistic way." He even said that Sushant had changed in the past 1 year. Sushant's family had filed a case in the Supreme Court after Rhea Chakraborty, one of the accused in the late actor's death investigation, moved the apex court earlier this day. The family sought that Rhea's petition not to be allowed to be heard ex parte in their counter-petition. The family's lawyer, Vikas Singh, will be still present in the court for the proceedings. Rhea's lawyer, Satish, had informed on Wednesday that they had filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court, seeking a transfer of the investigation to Mumbai. They claimed that the investigation by Mumbai police was still pending. A 4-member team of Bihar police had arrived in Mumbai on Tuesday after it was revealed that they had registered a first information report or FIR against Rhea and 5 other under charges of abetment to suicide, cheating, conspiracy, etc. under section 340, 342, 380, 406, 420, 306 of the IPC.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.